The fifth generation of the 4Runner comes to an end after long 15 years and is replaced by this new sixth generation massive off-roader. Based on the brand new Tacoma pickup truck for 2024, the model has more contemporary features while maintaining a tough and rugged exterior. Inspired by Baja desert racing, the high-lift, lean body, big tires, and rugged athleticism define the core of the 4Runner's go-anywhere purpose. Kevin Hunter, president of Toyota's Redesign team, said during the launch of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Well, let's find out more about the worth-waiting specs and performance figures of this 4Runner. But before this power-packed episode comes in full swing, do like and subscribe our channel to remain notified for more videos like these. Without further ado, delivering 278 horsepower and 317 foot-pound of torque, the 2.4-liter turbocharged iForce 4-cylinder engine powers the SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and Limited models. Toyota's TRD Pro, Trailhunter, and Platinum models come equipped with the iForce Max hybrid drivetrain as standard. The Limited and TRD Off-Road trims can also get it with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gas engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission with an integrated 48-horsepower electric motor, and a 1.87-kilowatt battery pack. This powerful system generates the highest ever 326 horsepower and 465 foot-pound of torque for a 4Runner. Equipped with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is capable of towing up to 6,000 pounds, while the 4Runner with the full-time four-wheel drive system have an electronic 2-speed transfer case with high-low range gearing, active traction control, and the automatic limited slip differential. Two-wheel drive vehicles have an automatic limited slip differential. A 50-50 power distribution between the front and rear axle is compatible with the electric locking rear differential that comes standard on the TRD Off-Road, TRD Pro, and Trailhunter models. Full-time four-wheel drive with a center locking differential is an option for the limited trim with the iForce Max. This setup is standard on the Platinum vehicles. Also, the newly added crawl control function and downhill assist control boasts improved off-road capabilities. An overlanding variant, the Trailhunter, comes with 33-inch tires, Old Man Emu shocks, a high-mount air intake, steel skid plates, rock rails, and an AC inverter with outlets in the cabin and rear cargo compartment. As expected, the 2025 4Runner shares many features with the new Tacoma, like its new Trailhunter trim for this year made its premiere. There will be the well-known SR5 TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, and TRD Pro in addition to the Trailhunter. There are plenty of other things about the 4Runner's exterior, like its front is pretty comparable to that of the new Tacoma and also quite a bit wider. That is 3 inches more than the previous model. Also, the 33-inch Trailhunter tires look visible beneath large, bulky fender flares. Moving on, the wheelbase of this Toyota is 112.2 inches, which is 2.4 inches longer than the 5th generation 4Runners, giving it slightly more space. Almost similar to that of the new Land Cruiser and a little bit shorter than the GX. The biggest standout feature of the new 4Runner among the Land Cruiser and GX is its height. Without the roof rack, the height is almost 5.5 inches lower than that of a Land Cruiser or GX. The 4Runner has always been a smaller car than the GX, and this new version doesn't change this main distinction. Another feature is the rear window's ability to roll down has been a characteristic of the 4Runner since its debut. The fact that you can access the back without fully opening the hatch and keep everything from falling out is something that many people find useful. When the lights are on high beam, the TRD bar light on the TRD Pro and Trailhunter turns on an LED light bar in front. You can also connect your own accessories by using the 4 auxiliary switches. You may feel the uncanny resemblance of the 4Runner's interior with the Tacoma pickup truck because it has a lot of the same stylistic elements. There are hardly any differences between the infotainment system and dashboard. The cabin is well designed with storage containers, and the driver appears to have an easy access to all of the controls. The optional third-row seat found in the 4Runner is absent from the Tacoma, which is quite a utility for children or the occasional tag-along passenger. However, it will be a squeeze for adult passengers. As before, the 4Runner can be made to resemble a pseudo-convertible by simply lowering the motorized rear window, rolling down all 4 windows, and opening the optional sunroof. It's not quite as open-air as a roofless Wrangler or Ford Bronco, but it's a good substitute that allows passengers to take in the scenery as they travel routes. The 2025 4Runner differs from the previous model mostly in the the infotainment and technology areas. The new model is comparatively high-tech in contrast to the outdated one. Standard equipment includes an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with Toyota's most recent software. Both a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a bigger 14.0-inch display are optional. All versions include USB-C ports, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a digital key system that allows you to start, unlock, and lock the 4Runner using an app on your smartphone. It's optional to use a wireless smartphone charging pad. Another noteworthy feature of the Toyota 4Runner is its set of safety and driver assistance system known as TSS 3.0. This package of systems includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering and a system that can sense if the driver is not responding and stop the 4Runner if necessary, in addition to more basic features like automated emergency braking and lane departure warning. One important safety characteristic consists of typical automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with lane keep, adaptive cruise control with lane centering assist. Lastly, it's time to discuss the pricing structure of the 2025 4Runner model. Although Toyota has not yet announced the official prices, but depending on the trim and extras, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is anticipated to cost between $43,000 and $54,000. But if you're looking for the most competent trail hunter trim, you'll need to purchase a 4Runner hybrid, and we'll let you know with its cost as soon as Toyota reveals an official word. Moving on to the warranty coverage. Not many cars in this class offer free planned maintenance for 2 years like Toyota does. A limited warranty is valid for 36 months or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty is valid for 60,000 miles or 5 years. Free maintenance is available for 25,000 miles or 2 years. It seems that 4Runner will be priced less than a Land Cruiser. Why is that so? Maybe because the iForce is the basic one with the iForce Max Hybrid available as an option, and the 4Runner features part-time four-wheel drive rather than full-time four-wheel drive, due to which the 4Runner is now less costly, at least in some trim levels. Considering all the highs and lows, we think Tacoma TRD Off-Road is a really great package, and with my generation of 4Runners, we've always enjoyed the TRD Off-Road trim. It appears that the 15 years spent waiting for a new 4Runner were worthwhile. What are your thoughts? Let us know below in the comments.